Hi guys. So after some time, we will continue our learning on PVTP again. So it's a software from petroleum experts for PVT modeling and PVT analysis. And today's video is going to be very simple. It's about adding a PVT report from existing file, existing report in Excel sheet. Okay, so we are now inside the PVTP. Okay, go to here, the characterization. And to add PVT report, just click on this one and put the icon here and then double click. All right, so we have PVT report import here. And then we will select the Excel file. And of course, we will browse across our computer. Okay, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit. Browse. So this is my existing file here. I have my lab data here. Double click. Wait for a while. Okay, so this is the data that I have inside my Excel sheet. The first one is for the reservoir condition, the reservoir pressure, temperature, and reservoir depth. And then I also have recombined composition. You see, this is my components. And then I have CCE, constant composition expansion, differential liberation, and this is for the separators. Okay, so this is how you add the PVT report onto the software from which you will do many things: simulation, modeling, matching, and analysis. Okay, and of course you can modify anything here without changing the Excel file. And of course you can click on OK, and from here you can continue for the next workflows. Either it's for matching, modeling, analysis, whatever. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I hope this short video is useful. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on the next PVTP videos. Thank you.